You left me to die in the asylum, but I will show you no such mercy. Do you see, Gotham? You have no savior, no more hope, no more Batman. I've won. Impossible. Without fear, life is meaningless. Why aren't you scared? Welcome to Gotham, City of Fear. Gotham, this is your only warning. Abandon this city, or I will unleash your greatest fears. Why did I warn them, Batman? Why give those terrorized refugees time to flee? You don't know, do you? And it scares you. You will bring death.